Using 3D LUTs in Shotcut, a simple guide. Shotcut is a powerful open-source video editor that allows you to apply LUTs, lookup tables, to enhance the color grading of your videos. However, adjusting the strength of a LUT is not straightforward since Shotcut lacks a built-in intensity slider. In this guide, we'll show you how to apply a LUT and fine-tune its strength using two effective methods. Step 1. Create a new project, open Shotcut, and start a new project. Set your desired resolution and frame rate to match your video source. Step 2. Import and duplicate your clip. Drag your video clip into the timeline. Right-click the clip and select Copy. Click on the menu icon with 3 lines above the timeline and select Add Video Track to create a new track. Click on the new track to select it. Press Ctrl-V or right-click and choose Paste to duplicate the clip onto the new track. Step 3. Apply the 3D LUT filter. Select the top clip. Go to the Filters panel and click the plus button. Choose Video Filters and search for 3D LUT. Click Open LUT File and load your desired LUT.cube file. Step 4. Adjust brightness and contrast. To refine the look, add the brightness and contrast filters to the LUT applied clip. Adjust the sliders to balance the image. Step 5. Control LUT strength. 2 methods. Method 1. Opacity filter. Select the top LUT applied clip. Add the opacity filter from the Filters panel. Lower the opacity to blend the LUT effect with the original clip. Method 2. Blend mode. Instead of opacity, you can use the blend mode filter. Set the blend mode to overlay, soft light, or multiply for different effects. Adjust the intensity by modifying brightness or contrast on either layer. Final thoughts. By using opacity or blend mode, you gain full control over the strength of the LUT, allowing for subtle color grading rather than a full transformation. Experiment with different LUTs and settings to achieve your desired look.